Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a Facit typewriter. This is a desktop model. I've only ever owned one of these. This one. I've never had any of the portable ones, and this, I think I can give you a pretty good demonstration. It's in good shape. Everything works, I think. I mean, I've written with it. Platinum rolls the paper in fine. It did take me a while to figure out how the margins work, but I figured it out, and I'll show you before I end the video. But yeah, this is it's pretty sweet. It's heavy. I'll give you all the letters and numbers, and I'll show you how the tabs work, and I guess that's pretty much it. Let me show you. All caps. I don't even think I've tried to use the red setting on this. We'll see how it goes. I'll give you the numbers in red. Okay. So far, so good. Don't know why this thing is not staying. Takes a few times. Here's the figures. Everything is printing really clearly, and this is right here. This is where you adjust the tension. Again, I don't know how many typewriters I've sold. I can never feel the difference when I move this. I'll try this real quick. I'm gonna move this and I'll see. Nope, I can't tell the difference, but the color selector does work, as you'll see with the type sample. This thing has these levers right here, and there's one on each side. The way these work, this is a bunch of preset tabs, and so you pull it towards you and that engages them, and then I'll just tab through them. You'll see there's like 8 or 10. Maybe that was like 7 or something. And then you can clear it. You just push it back, and then you'll see. And then on the left, you pull it. You can set them individually. So say you want one right here, and then one right here, one right here, and here. So now there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just push back on the lever on the other side, and I believe that clears them. Okay, maybe you pull. Let's see. Oh, you have to clear those individually. Yeah. So you're gonna have to clear every one, and you just push them back. Now they're all clear. This cover right here is kind of wonky. It doesn't fit like really tight. Comes off easy enough. Just has these little hooks right here, and then these things go into this place down here, but it does stay on there. Oh, what else? Ribbon. I think this has an automatic directional switch for the ribbon. I have not really looked into this. Let me see. I could probably figure it out real quick. Okay, so it's going this way, and then yeah. All right, and then it switched. Now it's going the other direction. I don't know if this is its intended use to just go back and forth, but that does work. Both directions wind the spools. I'll show you the margin stops, which again, I was just losing my mind trying to figure out how they work. So first, let me show you this type sample, and then I'll show you where the margin stops are. That's it. It has a clean imprint. It's smooth. It feels good. It feels really good. It's a desktop typer. You're not going to take this anywhere, but it feels good when you're using it. Anywho, so obviously the bells work. The margin stops are right here. And you just press down on this little peg right here. You press down and you can move them. So that sets the margin on the left side. And then this one, sets the bell, and again, you're just press down. I'll have to adjust the other one so I can actually get my finger in here far enough. Let's see if I can, yeah, see, moving it left, right. That's the bell. It took me a while to figure that out. Other than that, that's about all I know about this machine. Platen rolls paper in good. This is the paper release right here. Keep that disengaged. I'm sure there's other features. There's just not a lot of manuals for this particular machine. Usually you can Google like a typewriter and you can find a manual, but not so much on this one. But at any rate, it works really well. And overall, it's in pretty good shape. I'll give you a little 360 view. You can see it still has Facit here on the back in those big bold letters. And carriage is really smooth. I think this piece actually comes off. I don't know how to do it, but I'm fairly confident that it comes off. You know what? No, I'm going to retract that. I'm 50-50. I think it might come off, but I'm not sure. And I'm not going to try. But I will upload the serial number, and I'll try to figure out what year this is, but I'm not sure. But I'll take a picture of the serial and see if I can find it. I think it's from the 60s. But other than that, this thing is in pretty good shape. You know, and the keys are faded, and still has this nice little Facit thing on the front. It says Sweden. And again, this caps lock, don't know why I had to press that once or twice to get it to stick. But again, other than that, this is a good solid desktop typewriter, and I like it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.